Alright, so this is a quick tutorial on how to find the line of best fit for your distance and time data for your performance task. So as you can see here, I have all of my information put in on spreadsheets, and what you need to do once you have the distance and time for all of your destinations is you're going to highlight the distance and time by clicking and dragging over all of the data. Make sure you don't leave any off. Highlight all of it. Once you have all of it highlighted, you can either click on this button here. You can see it says Insert Chart, or you can go to Insert and then click on Chart. Now remember, what you want from this chart is a scatter plot. So you're going to need to select the scatter plot. And as you can see here, none of these suggestions are a scatter plot. So I actually have to go into chart types and find the scatter plot for this. Select the scatter plot and just click Insert. Once you have the scatter plot inserted, you're going to highlight your series by just clicking on any of the points that are in it, and you'll notice that a small menu pops up when you click. You can see this one, it looks like a best fit line. That is what it is. So you're going to click on this, and we want a linear trend line because we're looking for a line of best fit. Now, once you get the line of best fit, what you'll notice is that you can't see what the equation is by just hovering your mouse. You actually have to edit the display settings for your chart. So you're going to right-hand click and go down to Advanced Edit. This is going to bring up a whole bunch of options for your chart in customization. And you're going to scroll down all the way at the bottom. Should be the trend line for data series 1. And this is your line here. What you're going to do is change the label to Use Equation. And then when you hit update, here you will have y equals 0. You'll have something similar to this. My equation is y equals 0.015 x plus 0.279. So that is the equation for this trend line. Additionally, you also need to find the r² value for your trend line. To do that, click on your trend line, and again you'll see a menu come up, and right over here is show the r² value. Click on that and you get the r² value showing in your legend for your trend line. So my r² value is 0.999. And again, that's part of the performance task. Alright, so that's how to use Google Sheets to find the equation of your trend line and show the r² value.